about if you're outside the UK and you find out that your card is lost or stolen, what do you do? So again, you must report it. So you can replace your biometric, you can report your missing biometric resident permit card, whether you're in the UK or outside the UK. So the first thing you want to do is to report it. However, you won't be able to replace your biometric resident permit card if you're outside the UK. If you're outside the UK, what you need to do is to apply for a biometric residence permit visa. So that will take you to the UK, and once you get to the UK, you can then apply for a new biometric residence permit card. So it's really important. If your card is lost, irrespective of where you are, you can report it, but you can only replace it when you're in the UK. If you're outside the UK, you have to get a biometric residence permit visa that brings you to the UK, and then you can apply for a new biometric resident permit card. Okay, so it's easy. If you lose your biometric card, it's not the end of the world. You can always replace it. So if you're replacing your card in the UK, it doesn't cost you money. But if you're replacing it, if you're getting a visa, a biometric residence permit visa, then you would have to pay £154 to be able to get that visa. So this is just a quick and short one. I've done a video on how to replace an expired BRP card, and I thought I would do another one if someone has lost their card or if someone's card has been stolen. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful. If that helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. If you have any questions, any video suggestions, please put them in the bottom section, in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.